Hello all, this is Techie Snake and welcome back to another video. The COVID pandemic has made work from home the new routine for most people, and for many, having a bigger or multiple screen setup is a critical requirement to create an efficient workflow. If you have seen my previous desk setup, it was fully occupied with a single monitor and two laptops, one of which is for personal use and the other for business. Sometimes I did use my personal laptop screen as a second display, but only for few tasks, and it was not enough. When using the work laptop, I used a single monitor, and certain tasks such as editing, comparing documents and multitasking became too difficult to manage, and I really wanted some additional screen real estate. But my main issue was the limited space on IKEA MALM desk, which did not allow me to add a second monitor. This required some smart rearrangement to create some space, and I went an extra mile to give a stealthy look to my setup. In this video, I will show you how I managed to have a stealthy dual laptop, dual monitor setup on a compact IKEA MALM desk. Let's begin. To make some space for the second monitor, first I had to relocate at least one of my laptops from the table. Mounting it somewhere beneath the desk was possible, but the space is so limited that it could hit my legs. Hiding it inside the drawers or cabinets was not recommended due to the impeded airflow and the risk of overheating. I chose to move my work laptop to the side of the desk, but before moving, I applied black vinyl to the side of the desk and also to my laptop. Adding matte black vinyl to my laptop refreshed its look and it felt like brand new. This also helped the laptop to blend in with the black color of the table. To mount the laptop on the side of the desk, I used DOCKEM Koala Mount 2XL. It comes with two brackets that you can either screw or stick on the surface using the provided screws or 3M double-sided tapes. They include additional rubber spacers to adjust laptop placement based on the thickness of your laptop. This wall mount is suitable for laptops in the range of 13 to 22 mm thickness. The installation is pretty simple. Space them based on your height requirement and laptop dimensions and screw them in place. Place the laptop inside and connect the Thunderbolt cable. The access to the laptop is easy in case I have to disconnect and carry it somewhere. I also removed the headphone stand to free up some more space. Placing my work laptop on the side emptied a lot of desk space. Next, I swapped the stand of my second laptop with this one, which pushed my Alienware laptop a little behind. This also freed up some more space, and also the screen became higher, making it closer to my eye level. By reorienting both my laptops, I was able to create extra space on the desk to add a second screen and still look good and not cramped up. My second screen is a 25-inch Alienware flat monitor which is placed in a vertical orientation and is my preferred way as it helps me in my tasks without having to turn my head a lot. My primary monitor is a 27-inch with a perfect resolution of 1440p. Having a second screen really helps me in my editing workflow, and sometimes I even use my personal laptop screen as my third display. For gaming, I just use only my primary monitor. I don't stream at the moment, but having a second screen could really add value in case I decide to do so in the future. My other peripherals on the desk remain the same. My primary work mouse is Logitech MX Master 3, which is mainly used for productivity. For gaming, I use the Razer Viper Ultimate, and my keyboard is the glorious GMMK 10 keyless. On the left side of my desk setup, I have an IKEA Kallax shelf to place some items, mainly the Alienware graphics amplifier and the Amazon Echo Dot speaker. I made some rearrangements here by keeping the graphics amplifier in the top shelf and covered the slot with a custom wooden board to make it look more clean and hide away all the cables. I also moved the Amazon Echo Dot speaker up along with the Star laser projector. Other change I made was replacing this canvas with a black color frame to blend with my stealthy theme. All these rearrangements made the setup look a lot cleaner than what it was before. Rest of the setup remains the same. The pegboard still carries the charging station along with the accessories. Also, all the elements of RGB remain the same. If you want to have a look at my previous setup, please click on the link above. So this was my dual monitor and dual laptop setup. If you like this video or any of my ideas, I would request you to comment below and please subscribe to my channel as it helps me a lot. Thank you and see you again in another video.